Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we are just going to have a quick, nice little shave. Going to use my Phantom Blue from PAA. Haven't used the slant in a while, so we'll see how that goes, right? We're going to use the, what is this? The Phantom Aerolite. Matchy-matchy, right? Hega Upsala. And Puck of Maddie Lindholm soap. So we're going to take the puck, wet it a little. Gonna go against the grain just a little. Here, let's just do it like this. I don't know why I'm trying to use the larger surface area. Made no damn sense! Alright. And guys, for quick shaves, I keep that Puck of Maddie soap just like right there. Alright. Get the Phantom Aerolite. Alright, see if we can build a lather, right guys? I was worried I might have had a little too wet. I may have shaken too much water out. See how I do. See how it's going. I can tell you right now, it looks thin. Guess what? The thing is, if I stop now, I'm out in water, it won't be. Like, see, it's thickening up right now. Add some more water. Nice. I think we got it going now. It's not the best face lather. Probably could have loaded a little bit more if I wanted it like more dense looking. But honestly, it's all I need and all I want for a quick morning shave. We have a new washcloth. In here. You know, this slants seem intimidating, but not this. Ooh, we got some bloops. Rinse. I like light razors. I don't know why. I pretty much don't like heavy DEs. I'm good with heavy straights. They're fine. I like light straights. But man, heavy DEs are just not for me. Weird, I know. but that's just me. There we go. A little bit of hairs in my lather from where I wiped from here. Just give it a good go. I'm really just trying to lift some neck hairs by hitting the neck up so much. The ones like right here, down towards the bottom, you just stick right next to the skin. And I didn't shower last night, so it's been just a little longer than 24 hours. But we're gonna make it work. That was a rather efficient first pass. Nice. Say nice because it's like a satisfying feeling at that point. You're just like, oh, that's going like it should. Watched some Canadian Mafia last night. Honestly, I was so tired and wore out. Body was pretty sore yesterday. I fell asleep watching it. Woke back up. Just a little more, I fell asleep. I was out. I was done. So, if that does show blood, that is from the other day. Now, there is some residual here. I had some people say they don't really feel a lot of residual with Maddie soap. But there was today. Like there we go. Right there's good. All right, gave it a rinse. Ladies and gents, let me rinse up and we will be right back. All right, everybody, we're back. So just because I wanted to try to consider post on soap, I sat here for a while after I rinsed it off and I felt on the face, and it doesn't feel tight or taut or dried, but there definitely isn't anything additional I feel from this soap, and I really don't expect it for what it is. It gives you slickness, creates a lather, and it doesn't dry out my skin. Like, it's only like 15 minutes into it, but it doesn't feel like it's dried out. So we're gonna use the Hega Upsala, keep it blue. I don't know if there's any alcohol in this. I think there's potato starch, so you don't want to put too much on. I do like this scent, but if you put too much on, it can leave your face feeling tacky. So I think we used the right amount. A little irritation here, but that was from using that big Kraken the other day, where a nicked here and a nicked here. So if you see little reds. All right, man. Really enjoy that. So again, we use Maddie soap. If you're interested, I still have a few other scents. Ecto Cooler is on its way in. Those of you that have hit me up, you are on the list in a folder in my email. We did say Upsala, Phantom Blue Slant Razor from PAA, and the Phantom Aerolite. Really dig the way this looks, and you know, you can't go wrong with PAA. Douglas is like, these are the digital. Badger knots are analog. He's such a nerd sometimes, but you gotta love him. But yeah, I mean, you're looking at spending like 20 bucks for a really nice handle tops. Some are like $16.99. So, you know what? I'll link everything below. Everyone have a great day, and I'll catch y'all later.